The SEN-QII Pressure Washer 4200 offers a robust cleaning power of 4,200 pounds per square inch and 2.8 gallons per minute, making it highly effective in tackling stubborn stains on various surfaces. Equipped with innovative anti-tip technology and 4 wheels that swivel 360 degrees, this pressure washer ensures stability and ease of movement during operation. The compact design of the SEN-QII Pressure Washer allows for easy storage and portability, enabling users to maximize their available space. Its 20 feet hose and 35 feet power cord provide ample reach, while the multiple nozzle options cater to different cleaning needs across a range of surfaces. The inclusion of a comfortable handle and wheel locks enhances user convenience, making it a versatile tool for both residential and commercial cleaning tasks. SEN-QII provides excellent customer support with a dedicated after-sales team available around the clock to assist with any inquiries.